Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer module settings from one year to the next academic year. So go to settings, transfer settings, and in transfer settings, we are going to see transfer settings module. So basically in this module, you're going to copy the mapping that you have for this year to the next year. So first, like I said, please make sure you select the correct academic years that you're transferring from and you're transferring to. Again, I would emphasize, please make sure you select the correct academic years you're transferring from and you're transferring to. Now, if you remember in the first video where we created a new academic year, we selected the transfer modules tick mark, and due to which I'm able to see before many modules it's already showing already mapped. So that means it's already mapped for the next year which you want to transfer to. Now in case if you haven't transferred the module settings while creating the academic year, or if you already have a pre-admission year and you haven't transferred the module settings, then you can tick on all the modules that you want to transfer the mapping for. Now I cannot select the modules which are already mapped. One more instruction that I would like to give. Now let's say I want to transfer time slots. So if I have already created time slots for the year of 21-22, then I won't be able to copy the mapping. Or if it's already mapped, then I won't be able to copy the mapping. Now again, two things, payment indicator setup and online fees setup. If you have online fees setup and if you are doing both your offline fees as well, so make sure you transfer your online fee setup and payment indicator setup. That will help you to copy the mapping you have for this year to next year. Again, we have different fields, that is pre-admission fees categories or admission custom fields. Every school has different requirements, so based on that you can decide which ones you want to copy. Now let's say if I want to do exams also, so that is CC, assigned exams and assigned subjects to exams. If I want the same for the next year as well, then I can simply select the fields which I want and I can map those. Now let's say bona fide also I want to map. So you can select all the things that you want the mapping to be same for the next year as it is for this year. So after selecting, again, I would like to repeat, if you already have added any part for the next coming year, any sort of mapping, like I gave an example of time slots, then the mapping won't take place. Or if it is already mapped, it will show you a symbol over here saying it's already mapped. And once you select all the modules which mapping you want to be the same for the next year, you can simply click on submit. And you'll be able to see mapped successfully all the ones you have selected for. So that's all about transfer settings module. Thank you.